Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all safe at home. Children, we are not unable to go outside, right? So, we are going to start your new academic session in online classes, children. So, go through the videos every day. Okay, children? Now, I am Haima, your social and science teacher. Means, children, until now you have EVS, right? Instead of that, you have now two subjects, science and social. Okay, children? Today I am going to start first lesson in social. Right? Now, first lesson is the universe. What is the first lesson name? Universe. Okay. Have you gone through the previous video of solar system, children? If you didn't, just go through that video also. Okay? You will get some information. Now, I'm going to tell in detail about the universe, right? What is universe? Okay. Now, see here children. We are seeing in the daytime sun and in the night time. Tell me what are there in the night time? Twinkling stars and moon, right? What are all these objects? Nothing but those are very big objects, but we are seeing like a dot, isn't it? Stars we are seeing like a dot, but those are not at all small. Those are very huge objects. Understood, children? Now these objects we call it as celestial objects. What we call celestial objects. Okay. What is this? Celestial means nothing but space. Now, universe is nothing but a huge open space. Understood? What it is? A huge open space. Our scientists believed that many years ago, okay, universe is like a bulb. See here, I am showing a bulb. Universe is like they are believing that universe is like a bulb. Then bulb is filled with gases and dust. They are thinking that the universe is like a hot bulb filled with gases and dust. Okay. Now what happens? That hot bulb, if it is so hot, then what happens? It suddenly explode. Okay. Huge explosion occurs. Explosion means blast. Do you know if this bulb blast, what happens? It changes into small pieces, right? Like that, universe is also because of hot gases and dust. Those are after blasting. Those are changes into small bodies. Understood? Those bodies are nothing but celestial objects, are also called heavenly bodies. Heavenly means very big. Okay, big bodies. Those we call it as celestial objects or celestial bodies, heavenly bodies or heavenly objects. Right? Now, coming to the lesson, universe, I said universe because of blast will get these objects. Now, that one, they are, that scientists made a theory. That theory is Big Bang theory. What is that? Big Bang theory means very big. Universe is not a small. Okay, what I am showing now, like a bulb, I said, but it is not at all small. It is very huge. Okay, huge, big bang. Bang means sound, right? If suppose if this bulb breaks, it makes some sound, right? Like that. If big bang, okay, theory, so that universe forms. Our scientists believe like that. Understood now? Now coming to one by one I will tell what are there in the universe. Right, children? Now, I said celestial bodies. Those bodies, what are those? Okay, what are those means? Celestial bodies, one by one I will tell. First, it has galaxies. Understood? Means I will tell. Just write down these words. Okay, these are somewhat hard words. So, note down these words, children. First, galaxies. Universe contains galaxies. These galaxies contains solar system. Solar systems. Understood? Now, write down these words. These are all hard words, right? Now, galaxies, solar systems, and in the solar system, we have planets. Okay. satellites. Satellites, some are natural and man-made. I will tell you in detail. Those are nothing but moons. What we are seeing in the night time, children? Moon, right? Okay. And also it has comets. About all this I will tell you in detail. Understood? Just note down these hard words. First, galaxies, solar system, planets, satellites, comets, asteroids. Understood? Have you noted down all this? Now, coming to each one. Okay, one by one. I will tell you each one in detail. Now, what I said to you, universe contains galaxies. Okay, universe is a huge open space, I said. All these bodies are held by universe. Hold means what? Here, see, I am holding this marker. Like that, universe holds all these objects. Right, children? Now, coming to galaxies, how it is. See, think it is a huge open space. In this space, we have some celestial objects. Okay, group of celestial objects, understood, form a galaxy. Understood, children? Here, think it is a galaxy. Okay, this is another galaxy. Like that, so many galaxies are there in the universe. Not one or two, children. Not at all one or two. So many are there in the universe. Understood? Now, we are there, okay, in the galaxy Milky Way galaxy. Understood? What is the name of the galaxy? Milky Way galaxy. We are there in the Milky Way, okay, galaxy. Now, what is there in the galaxy? I said universe contains so many galaxies. These are all celestial bodies, I said. Now, each one is having, celestial body means big, huge bodies in the space. Now, each one contains some more bodies, okay. Now, galaxies contains some solar systems. I said galaxies contains solar systems. Now, see, think it is a Milky Way galaxy. Now, I'll show you those pictures also, children. Okay. First, Milky Way galaxy. Think in the galaxy, I said so many solar systems are there. Now, I draw like this, no, a picture of Milky Way galaxy. Now, in this galaxy, so many solar systems are there. Think it is a solar system. Understood? Have you understood up to here, children? So, in the galaxy, so many solar systems are there. These galaxy, so many are there in the universe. Got it now? Now, I'll show you picture of universe, children. First, look at here. This is the picture of universe. It has so many galaxies. These are all galaxies. Understood? Now, another picture. This is, look at here, children. This is the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way means it is white in color, no? That's why it is, its name is Milky Way galaxy. Understood now? Now, in this galaxy, so many solar systems are there. Understood? Now, solar system. What is solar system? Solar means sun. You are seeing everyday sun, right? In the daytime. Solar means sun. System means it holds some other bodies, form a group. Okay now? Now, sun along with some other bodies. What are those? These are all. Sun along with planets, satellites, comets, asteroids, all together form solar system. Have you understood now? What is solar system? It contains sun along with planets, satellites, comets, asteroids. Understood? Now, each one I will tell now in detail. Okay, children? Now, coming to first one. Solar system. Have you understood up to here? What I said, universe contains so many galaxies. Each galaxy contains so many solar systems. Okay. Each solar system contains sun along with planets, asteroids, comets, satellites. Understood now? Now, solar systems are there more in the galaxy. But we are there in the Milky Way galaxy. Understood, children now? Now, I will tell you about solar system. Okay. Have you note down those words? Right. Now coming to first one, solar system. I said about galaxies. After that, now solar system. Right? Now, all of you look at here, very, very important one. I will tell you all this in detail, okay, each one. Now, first one, solar system. Solar means what I said? Sun. Right, children? What is solar? Nothing but sun. System means I said planets, comets, asteroids, right? And also satellites. Now, see, this system contains 8 planets. Milky Way. I'm talking about Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy. Okay. Milky Way galaxy contains solar system. In that solar system, in that solar system we are there. Nothing but Earth. Understood? Now, solar means sun. This system contains 8 planets. Now look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I am drawing picture also. Just one like a small ball. Okay. All these planets are looking like balls. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are small. Remaining somewhat big. Big in size. Understood now? Now coming to first. What is the first planet near to the sun? This planet name is Mercury. Just note down, children, in your book. What is the first planet name? Mercury. Next planet name is Venus. Write down this one. Next planet name is Venus. Third planet name is Earth. Our Earth. Okay, we are there on the Earth. See here, among all these planets, no planet is having life except Earth. Earth is having life on it. We are surviving on the Earth, right? How we are surviving? Do you know? What is there on the Earth? Air and water. So that only we are, okay, taking water, right? And also breathing air. So that we are able to live on the Earth. Understood? Now coming to, this is third planet name is Earth. Fourth planet name Mars. Write down the spellings of each planet in your book. Next planet name is Jupiter. What is the planet name? Jupiter. Saturn. Sixth planet name is Saturn. Okay. Seventh planet name is Uranus. Just note down all these spellings, children, from your textbook. See your textbook also for writing that word. Okay. Next planet name is Neptune. Got it? How many planets are there total? Tell me. How many planets are there total? 8 planets. In 8 planets, which one is in here? Tell me now. See this order and tell me which is the nearest planet to the sun. To the sun I am saying. Just remember this order. Very, very important. Right? First planet name is Mercury. It is the smallest planet. Right, children? Now, among all these, which is the biggest one? Can you see here? I draw here. This one is the biggest one, right? Which from sun, which planet that is? From sun, number is 5th planet, right? 5th planet is biggest planet in the solar system. Right, children? Now, which is the last one? Tell me. What is the last one? Name? Neptune, right? Neptune is the farthest. Farthest means so far from the sun. This is according to the, okay, position from the sun. They are given some, okay, numbers. Understood, children, now? Now, where we are, tell me? In which number? Number 3, right? Our Earth is from the sun, 3rd planet. Right, children? Understood now? Now, see, for this I am giving small sentence to remember very well in those planets in order. Right? What is that sentence? Look at here. All of you look at here. Sentence is just to remember these planets in order. Okay. Look at here. My very efficient mother. Look at here. First letter of this planet name. M is there, right? Just remember my. And second planet name starts with V, right? So, very. Okay. Next, third planet name starts with E, right? Now, here efficient. And fourth planet starts with M letter. So, mother. My very efficient mother. Next, just serves us noodles. Means see here, just. J is there. Jupiter. Right? U. U means here. Sorry, sixth planet name is Saturn. Saturn means serves. Seventh planet Uranus. U means us. Okay. And last eighth planet name Neptune. So noodles. If you remember this sentence, then it is easy for you to remember the order of the planets. Got it, children? Now tell me. My very efficient mother just serves us noodles. Remember this sentence. Your mother is serving you noodles sometime, right? Very tasty, right? So remember like that. My very efficient mother just serves us. Serves means she brings to you to eat. Okay? Just serves us noodles. Have you understood? Now children, I am going to show you a video on solar system. See that.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Mercury. I'm the second hottest planet, the closest one to the sun. A year on my surface is 88 days. I'm the smallest, but I'm lots of fun. My name is Venus. I'm the hottest planet, but the second planet from the sun. I'm the brightest planet in our solar system, and I'm too hot for anyone. My name is Earth. I'm the planet you live on, the third planet from the sun. I'm the only planet with organic life, so take care of me, 'cause we're all one. My name is Mars. I am red in color. I'm the fourth planet from the sun. I have the highest mountain in our solar system, a volcano named Olympus Mons. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Jupiter. I am covered in clouds. I'm the 5th planet from the sun. My giant red spot is a raging storm. As for size, I'm the biggest one. My name is Saturn. I am brown in color. I'm the 6th planet from the sun. My outer rings are extremely thin. They're made of dust and icy chunks. My name's Uranus. I am blue in color. I'm the 7th planet from the sun. Humans have named me the icy planet because I am the coldest one. My name is Neptune. I am blue in color. I'm the 8th planet from the sun. I have too many storms in my atmosphere, and I'm the furthest planet from the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun.
Have you enjoyed the video, children? Yeah. Now, coming to the next topic, planets. Children, you watched the video in that planets are singing a song that they are moving around the sun, right? Now, planets are nothing but the objects that are able to move. Understood, children? Now I'll show you how the planets are moving. Okay? Do you know top? Top. You are playing with the tops, right? Okay? Like that top, that planet is moving. Okay? See, sun is at the center. This is sun. Think it is a sun. Remaining all planets are moving around the sun. See here, they are moving like this. Okay? They are moving around the sun. Got it, children? Now, when the planet is moving around the sun, that movement we call it as revolution. Write down this word, children. Very important word. Revolution means when the planet is moving around the sun, then that movement we call it as revolution. Understood? If they are moving, see, the planet is moving in a particular path. This path means the way. That way we call it as orbit. Note down this word also, children. These are all new words for you. Okay. Next, coming to when the planet is moving around the sun and also it is moving around itself. Now I'll show you the globe. Okay. This is globe. Nothing but earth. Okay. Our earth. Now when this one is moving around itself like this, when it is moving around itself, this movement we call it as rotation. Do you know top? When you are playing with the tops, you are playing with the tops, right? It is moving like this. How many of you know top? When you are okay, tying the thread around it and dragging so that it is moving around it, right? That movement we call it as rotation. Now I'll show you. See, this is the top, right? Now look at here, children. When we are turning, what happens? It is moving in a particular, see this one, point, right? This movement, okay, in a particular, on an axis. This one we call it as axis, okay? The earth is also moving on its axis, okay? Like this. So, this one, okay, in a particular line, that one we call it as axis. Now, earth is also moving around on its own. That movement we call it as rotation. Note down this word also, children. Have you understood the difference between rotation and revolution? Revolution means when the planet is moving around the sun. Okay, this is a big movement. That movement we call it as revolution. When the planet is moving on its own means it is moving like this, okay, on its own. That movement we call it as rotation. Have you understood up to here? Rotation and revolution. Got it, children? So, the planet is moving around itself and also moving around the sun. When the planet is moving around itself, that movement we call it as rotation. When the planet is moving around the sun, that movement what we call revolution. So note down these spellings, very important. Rotation and revolution. Have you understood now what is rotation and what is revolution? Now coming to next one. Next topic is about stars. Okay, star. Tell me, children, how you are seeing the stars in the sky? Very small twinkling, right? But those are not small, children. Those are also very huge bodies. Our sun is like a somewhat huge ball, right? Like sun is also a star. Okay? Sun is also a star. Now look at here. Stars. Our sun also comes under star. Why? Because stars give out, those are huge balls. Okay? Think it is a star. Stars are very huge balls. More than size than planets. Do you know that? Planets are bigger size. We are there on the planet Earth. It is so big, right? But our planet Earth Okay, very small compared to stars. Stars are very bigger than planets. Got it, children? Now sun is also a star. Stars are very huge ball. Huge means very big. Okay, huge ball of fire. What is there? Huge ball of hot gases. Hot gases are there. Okay, it is having very hot gases. That's why when we are seeing the sun, it gives out light and heat, isn't it? It is having hot gases. That's why it is giving out light and heat. Okay, have you seen whenever you are stick a match, okay, when you fire it a match stick, then you'll find a fire, right? And also when you keep the hand, it is so hot. Like that, light and heat. Got it? A star gives out light and heat. It is a huge ball of hot gases. Have you understood up to here, children? Now coming to differences between stars and planets. Okay, now I will tell you the difference between star and planet. Okay, why we are seeing those as so small? Because these are very very huge bodies, I am saying, right? But suppose think our earth is this and star this is. Okay, when we are seeing from the earth, it is like a dot. Why? Because it is so far from the earth. Okay, it is not at all near to the, but which one is very near to us? Sun is also a star, I said, no? So it is also a star. It is near to us. That's why we are looking like a big ball. Understood? Compared to stars. Stars are so far from the earth. Got it? That's why they are looking like dots. Now I am going to say the difference between planets and stars. Now, first difference. See here, children. What is the first difference? Planets and stars. First difference. I said stars give out light, right? So, what is the first one? They have their own light. They are having own light. But planets, they are not having any light. Do not have own light. Okay? They are not having light. So, how can you see then the earth? Because sunlight falls on it, right? That's why we can able to see. Understood, children? Otherwise, we can't see these planets. Planets are not at all having any light, but stars have light. Okay? Now, second difference. These planets can able to move, I said. Those are moving around the sun. Planets move around the sun. Okay? Those are moving around sun. Move around the sun, these planets. But stars, they are not at all moving. They are unable to move. Okay? Do not move. Understood? They do not move at all. They are at same place. Okay? They are at the fixed place. Same are fixed place. They are not at all moving from that place. Have you understood? What is the difference? First difference is they do not move. They are not having own light. Second difference, they are moving around the sun, and the stars do not move on. They are in the fixed place. Now third difference. What is the third difference? These are smaller in size. Smaller than stars. Understood? These are smaller than stars. But coming to stars, stars are bigger than planets. Just now I said sun is a star, right? Sun is so much bigger than planet. Understood? So, bigger than planets. Understood, children? Three differences. Remember these three differences. Have you understood up to here? Now, remember these differences. Now, I'll tell you from the textbook. Open page number 216, children. In the textbook, 216 page, you have lesson universe. Okay. Now, in that, we have to revise that one once again. Okay. Have you understood up to here? Now, coming to revision. Nothing but What we know, we have to came to put on the textbook, right? So first one, what is that? Tell me children, where we are? We are on the planet. Which planet? Tell me. We live on planet Earth. Okay. Write down there, everyone. In page number, what is that page number? 216. In the page number 216. Okay, in the textbook, in your textbook, first bit in the lesson universe, I know that we live on planet Earth. Okay, and also it is a part of, we live on planet Earth. Earth is a part of what? Solar system. Write on there the blank, solar system. Have you understood up to here? Next bit. Now tell me, Earth has what it has? What we are breathing? Tell me. Earth has dash that we breathe. What is that? Air. Very good. Next, air we breathe and dash we drink. Tell me what we are drinking? Yes, right. Water. Have you wrote these bits in your textbook? Next, coming to observe and reflect. Observe and reflect. See that is a side heading in your textbook. Observe and reflect is the side heading in your textbook. See this. And first one, write down there. What gives light to all other planets in our solar system? Tell me. Which one is giving light to other planets? Yes. Which one is having own light? Sun, right? So write down there, sun. Okay. Next, second one. Second question. Identify the picture. What is that picture is given in your textbook, children? I'll show you. What is that picture given in your textbook? See here. What is this picture? You just see the video, right? What is that? Yes. Solar system. Write down that. Solar system. Next, third question. Now tell me, what will happen if it is not there? What is that? If solar system is not there, what happens? We won't be there, right? We are not at all, right? That's it. Life won't be there. Life was not there. Okay? Have you understood? Right? Yes. I'll tell you in the next topic, like asteroids. About asteroids. Okay. Comets and satellites in the next class, children. Okay. So up to that, cover this one. Write down all these bits in your textbook. Right? And learn those hard words. Okay, children? Take care, stay safe and stay home.